All right, pilots, rearm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Here we go. Off to the races. Starting with 8. Now this 8-6 are inside of our top 64. Of course, we're shuffling up those positions. And this is a good one. We have our reigning top qualifier, the guy in the driver's seat so far in qualifying, Heads Up FPV, race band 7. We got BMS Thomas, our World Cup champion from 2017, spec race champion as well. Inside of this field, we got Matt, and he is on race band number 6. You got Madere as well, our reigning Sebring champion. A whole bunch of fast pilots. Great watching right here as we have BMS Thomas on lap number 2 by a bunch. Then Super Koopa crossing onto 2, Madere crossing onto 2, then Freshness, Ricky FPV. Still a few more to squeeze across. Looks like we only lost 1 on the opening lap. There's even Barbecue onto lap number 2. Looking at Shames, he'll be coming on to lap number 2 in just a little bit. Leader still BMS Thomas, and he's on lap 3 now with a 25.9 the last time around. From earlier today, he moved himself up in the number 3 spot overall in qualifying with 3 laps a minute 16. And of course, our TQ time is 3 laps a minute 11, which means difference of 4, which means about 1.4 seconds a lap that he needs to squeeze if he wants that TQ spot. I think he's gunning for it here. The early throws of qualifying for him. Not so many packs on the track here. He is down. Now looks like we're down to just 1. That's Ricky FPV onto lap number 3. Ricky getting excited and making it happen here in qualifying. He's in the number 35 spot. I'm going to say he is in 3 laps a minute 35 from earlier. And the clock is his, guys. 18 seconds still on the clock, and he may get another as he's working on lap number 3. We will see around that mini-esque over to our spiral tower here and up to the top of Jacob's Ladder, Michael's Tower, Tornado Tower. And there is the ding, so it'll be 3 laps and just a lot of fun for Ricky FPV. Uh-oh. Wind picked up and he went into a... Oh, they say it is good. It is good, Ricky. It counts. 3 laps 2:05. Not as strong as an earlier effort, but a better ending right there. Nice run for Ricky. That is it and all.